Alright, I got this. 5 times, 10 times the charm.
We are with Williamson County Schools at Centennial High School with the College Career and Technical Tech Camp.
Yes, you got it, you got it. That's
I love the drones. I love flying drones.
So, take off. No.
And we're introducing students to the unmanned aerial systems, which are the fancy name for drones.
Okay, you have to go over there now.
We learn how to fly and take care of drones.
So you'll start on the simulator.
Well, the drone simulator, it kind of simulates the experience that you would have looking through a drone's eyes.
Oh, geez, all right.
You feel like you're flying.
We're building a tunnel for the drones for the obstacle course.
I'm a little bit scared maybe because I don't want it to like crash into something and break.
You just feel sort of like, if I crash this is bad kind of thing. That's kind of the way that I thought of it.
I like it that they are trying new things. Even if they're scared and intimidated by it, they're still trying it. And I think that's just this is a wonderful environment to give them that opportunity.
Watch out for your downdraft.
We got to fly around.
And we're trying to make it through each other's courses.
Backwards. I want to get one of these for my house. Yeah. I got this. Yeah. Not forward. It's freaking out. Forward. I know, but it's not. Okay, yeah. Forward. Wait.
YAY Camp stands for Young Actors Yearly Summer Camp, and it's a theater camp, and we started it to expose kids from grades K through 8 to all aspects of theater.
There's costumes, makeup, backstage, dance, musical theater, and each of the kids have like a pretty full schedule all day. So.
Well, this is my 3rd year at YAY Camp, so I like to come here to do more theater stuff and everything, and it helps me grow as a theater kid. So.
I think this week is so important for so many kids, both our campers and our counselors, because again, it just surrounds like the one thing that they love.
We love teaching it because we love theater too.
You meet a bunch of friends, people that you saw the year before, and then you get to meet all the counselors and everything, and you get to build friendships with everyone. I just loved that.
And you have kids who on the first day are super scared to speak up, and you see them on the last day shine on stage like no one else. It's so cool.
You help them grow, and it's kind of fun just to see all that go down.
Yeah.
For kids to get to be with people who also love that is really awesome, and they get to be with their people for the whole week.